completely uh, games built using React, and everything you see that everything basically is JXX. So it's basically it's React. And this game, if you want to see the live preview, I'll show you what it is. It's all about uh click to each game. As you click and your money increase, you can upgrade or you can purchase. Like, it's just an illustration to get the knowledge of how you can building like a complex and as well a logical game. And I'll show you the preview right there so you can have a glance of what the game is. This is the game. The idea is it just like to show you what possible. Let's say first you can enter your name, you start the game, and as you click right there, your money increase. And when you have like for example the amount that you could have upgrade, you upgrade, and now it multiply by 2. And as well you can, if you had like, you can go to shopping, have the amount required, you can purchase that $200 required for that. And that's it, that's the game. You can light, you can navigate, and as you can see your progress here, the chart, everything. And what involved in the game, what involved, it's a bunch of state right there. All this is a bunch of state. And the first thing you got to understand is what you want to do. For example, is those state right there, each of them had their purpose. That means they're not here like for just to make the game fancy. No, they are here because I'm using them in the game. For example, I'll show you one useful state that I had in the game. Let's say money here, and this is a state that will help, for example, get the currently the the behavior of the user. For example, at the start of the game, the user have $0, and once it started to click, the money is increased. So in order for us to capture that, we had a we had a money. And so that is very important for you to understand. We set it by default 0, and we get the money from local storage. What does that mean? So if the local storage is empty, there is nothing in it, so the default will be 0. That's why at the start it's always 0, because the user, unless the user have played the game. Yeah, that's it. And what else do we have here right there? We had a few use effect. Use effect is basically a way like when to understand the behavior of the game. Let's say we have to check each time the game is loaded. For example, we have to check a few things. What are the things that the user had already, for example, in the storage in their own computer? So those are useful things right there. And function, we had a few function, and we had a few function right there. All of this is is function that we create. For example, handle click. This is most important one. Each time the user clicked, and we want to fire a few things. And the first one, we want to basically to increase the earning, because obviously the idea is every time a user clicked, their earning increase, their money increase. So that's it. So we have to basically handle when the user, for example, earning, and as well we have to check a few other click event as well, because user might be able, when they click, we have to check the upgrade. All of these things very important. And that's it of the games. And I think the idea is just to show you how a beautiful thing is built, very simple and accurate. Comment if you want the code. If you want the code, if you want the game, comment, and I'll comment if you want the code. That's it, and peace.